The subscriber, here's the deal, Frank. We have a subscriber of our channel for many years. He's been calling us over and over here lately, looking for a deal, like a special deal.
Because his income is very low.
So we had an idea. Thought you might need a roommate so he could share a room with you. What are you laughing for? It's a special rate. Yeah, we could give him. He's on a budget, tight budget. So we thought, okay, Frank could give him. He has a very mouth. Pretty mouth.
Will you sacrifice and
sacrifice? We'll put buck bet. 50%. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So if you're watching out there, we got a room waiting for you.
Well, maybe
room up with Frank.
Let him go out.
Look, you're on Candid camera.
We got you.
You're on camera. The next video, you're live. You're live. You're live. You're on Candid camera, Frank. Oh my God.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Take two. I thought I pushed the record button. I didn't. All right, guys. Take two. I messed up. I didn't push the button. What a rookie mistake, right? Here we are again, guys. Some more people coming into Poppy's from a long distance away. Here they are. Check them out. Hello.
Hi.
And where are you guys from?
I'm originally from Ohio, but we are in Tarlock City.
Tarlock City, and you've been all over the place, you said, from Germany.
Louisiana, Pennsylvania, Kentucky.
Over in Fort Knox.
Yes.
My neck of the woods.
Fort Knox.
Nice. Look at this taco salad, guys.
The main reason why I
Man,
came.
oh man, and a twice baked potato. What do you have? Some ranch dressing, or what was that? Thousand Island. Okay, that's unique. I've never seen Thousand Island come out. What are you going to put that on? Your taco salad?
Probably, yes.
Ooh, you don't want the hot taco sauce?
No.
No? All right. Well, all right. Next down the line, what do you got going on here? Where are you from?
Vizcaya.
Vizcaya.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jean Castro.
Jean.
Yeah.
Full. Give me the middle name too. Come on. No, I'm just kidding. Full name, rank, serial number.
Yeah.
What do we got here? We got some bulalo, right?
Yeah, bulalo.
Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious?
Yeah, I miss that, you know.
Yeah?
I miss bulalo. Yeah.
That looks very good. I think you'll be very pleased. We have some really good Filipino food here.
That's pork cheese.
And who are you guys?
Huh?
Who are you guys?
I'm from Pennsylvania originally. Retired out of the Army in Ohio. Now I live here in the Philippines, Tarlac City.
And this is your wife?
That's my wife.
All right.
8 years.
8 years.
April.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. In April, same as, that's our anniversary in April too.
Or no, well, I'll be here 8 years in April.
Oh, you'll be here in 8 years.
Our anniversary is July 3rd.
Oh, okay.
That way
I thought you were together for 8 years.
Fireworks after our anniversary.
You guys been together a long time though, right? Yeah, same as me and Mercy. Oh, there's Mercy over here. She just kind of popped in. Nice. All right, so you got rice, of course. You got to have the rice to go with everything, and then our sisig. It was sizzling, but we've been waiting too long for this video, and it's not sizzling anymore. But it looks delicious. Our sisig here is scrumptious, guys.
You ordered the steak, didn't you?
Oh, you got a steak coming out?
Didn't you order the steak?
Don't worry, I'll edit this out. We don't want to show mishaps here at Poppy's. We just want to show what's out on the table, right?
Yeah.
All right, good food, guys. Looks like a delicious meal. We'll check back with them in a minute and see what they think. Check this out. This gentleman ended up getting a ribeye after all. Got some battered potato wedges, some potato. You doubled up on the potatoes, huh? Potato lover here, and obviously a steak lover. Look at this steak, guys. 16-ounce ribeye. Beautiful. With that beautiful red sauce. I love it. Love the red sauce. How's everything, guys? I didn't catch you on your meals. You've been eating the taco salad?
Yes, very good. Very good.
Excellent.
Best I've had in a long time.
Glad to hear it. What do you think about the bulalo and the sisig?
Super duper delicious.
Nice.
I like it.
All right. Well, I'm going to give you a chance to dig into your steak, and I'll visit with you in a minute and see what you think.
That was good too.
You try that taco salad? All right. Yeah, we got a big group in here today for lunch, brunch time. These gentlemen are over here going to play some cards. Say hello, everybody. We got some tables back here, eat and enjoy themselves. Yeah, we're doing a good job over here. Pretty busy over here today. We've been getting busier every day, guys. Come over here to Poppy's. If you're watching this from somewhere close by, make sure you come by and check us out. All right, check this out, guys. This is all he has left of that steak.
I cut it in half, took a picture of the inside of it, and the whole steak.
That's a big one, yeah. Well, I appreciate you guys coming by. Hope you enjoyed everything.
Yes.
Everything up to par?
Yes, beyond.
Beyond. Oh, love it. All right, guys. Well, thanks again.
I like the food. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Delicious.
Nice to meet all of you.
No ice cream.
All right, guys. We have people all over the restaurant today, just enjoying themselves, waiting for more food to come out. All right, everybody. We are going to hang these signs that Joe and May gave us. Such a nice gesture to bring over some additional artwork for the walls over here at Poppy's Bar and Chill. Mercy's going to do the honors. And add these up.
Joe, you have a special place in our restaurant. So now
Oh, there we go. Texas, right there. That looks good. That looks like a good spot. Now I'm reserving this empty area up here for my guitar. I'm going to hang that up on the wall right here. And I'm going to stick my amp on top of this air conditioner unless it kind of rattles off of there. Maybe we'll glue it down. I don't know. And I'll just take it down from time to time to play. Oh, Nevada. Oh, I think we're going to go Nevada. We've got to leave room for the guitar. So let's go on this side with the Nevada plate. And these are actual plates that I guess Joe had on his cars over the years. He kept them, brought them all the way over to the Philippines and gave them to us.
awesome. Joe and May, thank you.
Right? It's very cool. I urge all of you guys, when you visit, bring something like this. If you have something cool, bring it and we'll hang it up on the walls. All right. There we go. That looks good. Maybe, yeah, I guess it's good now that you stuck it. A little higher, a little higher. Wait a minute, a little lower, a little lower. To the left, to the left. To the right, to the right. To the left, to the left. To the right, to the right. No, you're good. I'm just playing around. Right there. That looks good. Nevada. Got a Nevada.
Viva Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas is... Now, here we go. Guam.
We need to visit Guam, Papa.
Yeah, we got Guam. I've been at Guam one time, got way back. Never really spent any time there, though.
You need to take me there, Papi.
Yeah, take you to Guam. You do it however you think you want to do it there, hon. What do you think? Is that the right angle?
Yes.
Or try the other way. Let's see the other angle.
No, because it's going to be the same.
Oh, yeah, we can't do it the same. A little higher, though. Wait a minute. A little bit higher. A little higher. Left, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. All right. Yeah, it looks good. I hope you put enough tape on them. It might fall off and cut somebody's toe off.
No.
All right. Cool.
Thank you. Thank
Nice addition to the wall. Good job. Don't fall. Don't fall down. Hey everybody, we are here with
Kiki in the Philippines.
All right. He came to stay with us for a few days.
And what a wonderful place to stay.
All right. How much did I pay you for that? No, he's not a paid advertiser, guys. I guarantee it.
No.
Anyway,
Hey, all I know is I came here, the food Guys, I'm on a diet. I couldn't eat everything, all the thing they gave me. Especially this hungry man breakfast I ate. Whoosh. Now I'm ordering nachos. Nachos with authentic cheese.
Yeah.
None of this squeeze stuff.
He didn't want the squeeze, so we took the squeeze cheese off.
They do whatever you want.
Yeah.
They just
Make it right.
And what I like about this place is the family, the employees. They like take after Papi's wife.
Giving Mercy all the credit here, huh?
Oh, well, not really.
She's the one that her name is Mercy's for a reason. She gives mercy to everybody.
Yeah, right. Gives mercy.
But the reason is she leads by example, because these girls are awesome.
Yeah.
And they're beautiful.
He's talking about you girls. There they go, hiding behind the. They're hiding. All right, cool. Yeah, they're always hiding. Nike's always hiding. She's always hiding from the camera. Well, thank you for coming to stay with us, brother.
Oh, man, it's the best deal in town.
Yeah, man, appreciate it.
And they give you 200 pesos free for breakfast.
Or dinner, right? Excellent,
Let
man.
me say something.
Yeah, you say something.
Kike is a Cuban and he speaks Spanish, and I'm so happy.
So that's a nice relief for you to find.
Hablo español, consortes en Cuba. Hey, get out of there.
Get out of there. Yeah. Right? Oh, man. All right, guys, that's the video today. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the thumbs up in the comments, guys. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Thanks for support our channel, our restaurant, and our hotel. Thank you, guys. See you next time. I only want to say see ya. See ya.